Good Tuesday evening, everyone. Okay, it's part 2. We are going to finish both boards. The spray paint one turned out very good, well, in my opinion. And we're just going to clear coat it. And then on the round circle that I'm going to do layers on tonight, we are going to use, we're going to try something different. We'll see. We're using my jet black. We're using Color Passions base coat white. Hi, Jethro. Hi, Boo. Hi, my puppy. Hi, Jethro. Jethro's watching us. I don't know if I can turn you, and I'm not going to take chances, so, but, oh, there it goes. And Color Passions copper. And what I'm going to do with the copper is I've gotten a little cup of dry copper, and I'm going to, I don't have copper ink, but I do have gold. So I'm going to put some gold ink in with this copper, quite a bit of it. I'm going to mix this together. And I'm going to use it just like it is, I hope. If not, I can add some resin to it because I left some resin out. So we will see how this works. Okay, so first off, guys, let's do the clear coat on the pearl board and get it out of the way. My hand's clean, not really. I don't want to put anything on this. Yes, I'm using cheaper gloves because I'm running out of the good ones. And they are, I don't know if you guys can find them anywhere in Ontario, but they are very hard to get right now. Even Costco isn't carrying them like they were. I get it. First responders need it more. Okay, guys, so there you go. It turned out very nice. The spray paint looks like, and just like it should, like it's just sitting on top of the resin. And now I'm going to just pour clear resin all over that. Bring it right up to my pearl line. Actually, I may even just run my finger along the pearl line. Anything I spill like that, I can just wipe up with alcohol in a few minutes. I'm not worried about it. These pearls stayed perfectly in place, which was kind of cool considering that I put them on wet, and usually things like to move around on resin. So I think I'm just going to leave it like this. Just like this. That is where I'm leaving it. We've got our pearls and our rose gold and our pink and our black and a bit of copper down there, which looks almost identical to the rose gold. And so there we go. So I'm going to pour that back in there because I'm going to need that. And sit this here. I'm going to get a bit more alcohol to get that off. Those drips, I don't think they're going to cure anytime while I'm busy with you, but better to have them off than not. And I'm thinking, guys, so you can let me know what you think. Do I leave the board this gold color, or should I add a stain to it? What do you think? Gold color that the wood is, or a stain? I really like the grain of the wood. Okay, well, you guys let me know. Okay, come on over. We are now going to play with this big one. Can you see all that? Yes, no, maybe so. Hold on. Let's get you so you can see this. How's that? Not bad on the angle. Yeah? Are you gonna stay put? Okay. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is place the clear down, another coat of clear. I'm gonna heat that up a little bit so it spreads. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to change, if I can, the spout on this. Oh, it doesn't want to come off. I wonder if I can just fit this right over top. Can I? Can you? Would you? No. Why don't you want to come off? You're not resined on there. Okay, well, we're going to have to just try working with it like this. I'll get Gavin to loosen it up for me for another time, but I really wanted to use the wide mouth. That's okay. I'll work with what I've got. Okay, now let's move this around a bit. Just get my edges. What?
I dropped a can of paint next to the dining room table.
The dining room table?
Yep.
Okay.
What kind of paint is that?
Acrylic. It'll come up. I'll be up in 1 minute. We had a little bit of a blowout. My husband dropped a can of acrylic paint that I was using. And it's on the floor upstairs. But you know what? Those days of me panicking are long gone because I can fix it. Right? Right. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to start with Color Passion's Base Coat White. And I'm going to pour this right across. Oh, yep, and the dogs are outside barking, and they will be outside, guys. I'm really sorry, but better them out there than running through the paint in my dining room. Because if you've seen my house, and most of you have upstairs, it's an open concept, so. Okay, boys, enough, Bastion. Hey! Okay. So now let's put on the jet black. Oop, they're in trouble. They're in trouble. And of course he's flustered because he dropped the paint on the floor. So now I'm going to try this copper, guys. And if this works out, that's kind of cool. Okay, so now I'm going to blow that around. And even though I don't have the wide mouth on the heat gun, I'm hoping for the best, okay? Fingers crossed. Let's warm it up. And now let's blow it out. Blow it back this way. And you know what? Oh, I really like this. And I'm leaving this baby just like this. Just like this. I will do a clear coat over it tomorrow, but it turned out the way I was hoping it would. I have some black left over, so I'll use that in a mold. Put this up here. Oh my goodness, guys. I'm hoping you're seeing, well, I'll bring you down and show you anyway, because I got to go up and save my husband. And I'll get a mold to pour the black in. What do I want? I've got a million molds. What do I want? Okay, let's do this. I'll do this little crystal thingy here. Well, it's not going to be enough, but I can do the rest tomorrow. So there we go. Okay, everything's done. Now I'm going to bring you down. Actually, I'm going to show you a few things before I show you this. I got this in the mail today from Amazon. And yes, it's a fan, but I am going to use these beautiful feathers. Beautiful, beautiful feathers in something. And let's see. I also picked up these today. I've got a yellow, a red, and a gray. So my imagination is just running wild with what colors to use with it. So, okay. Love you guys. Thank you for being here. I will see you soon. This will get posted tonight and pictures up tomorrow. Okay? But for now, come on down and take a gander. I love this. I hope you can see it. That copper mixed with the gold ink turned out to be a fabulous idea. Gotta use it quickly though, because it's alcohol ink, so it will dry in the cup quick. So there's that. And then there's the clear coat done over top of our pearl board. So let me know what you guys think of staining it or leaving it. Okay? Okay, gotta go rescue my husband. Thanks for being here. Bye, guys.